Welcome back, cleaning enthusiasts! Today, we have an extraordinary treat for you. We're about to unveil a collection of top-secret cleaning hacks that will leave you in awe. Whether you're a busy parent or a dedicated homemaker, these tricks will revolutionize the way you clean your home. Get ready to witness the power of our professional-grade cleaning techniques, and stay tuned to the end for our bonus hack. Let's get started in the heart of the home, the kitchen. This space is a battleground for dirt and grime, but fear not. We have an arsenal of hacks that will leave your kitchen spotless. Number 15. Say goodbye to stubborn microwave stains. Fill a microwave-safe bowl with water and squeeze the juice of 1 lemon into it. Pop the bowl in the microwave and heat it for 3 minutes on high. The steam will work its magic, loosening all the grime. Wipe down the interior with a microfiber cloth, and voila! A sparkling clean microwave awaits. Number 14. Cutting boards can harbor odors and bacteria, but we have a solution. Sprinkle coarse salt over the board, then take a lemon half and rub it across the surface. The salt acts as a natural abrasive, while the lemon's acidity kills germs and eliminates odors. Rinse the board with warm water, and it's as good as new. Number 13. Tired of battling grease stains on your stove? Here's an unbeatable hack. Mix equal parts baking soda and dish soap to create a powerful degreasing paste. Apply it to the greasy areas, let it sit for a few minutes, then scrub with a brush or sponge. Rinse thoroughly and witness the disappearance of grease stains. Number 12. Let's not forget about your trusty blender. After blending your favorite concoctions, cleaning it can be a hassle. But not anymore. Fill the blender halfway with warm water, add a few drops of dish soap, and blend for 30 seconds. Rinse it out, and your blender will shine like it's fresh out of the box. Now, let's move on to the sanctuary of cleanliness, the bathroom. With our exclusive hacks, your bathroom will radiate a level of cleanliness you never thought possible. Number 11. Say goodbye to soap scum on your shower doors. Combine equal parts white vinegar and dish soap in a spray bottle. Spray the solution onto the doors, let it sit for 5 minutes, then scrub with a non-scratch sponge or brush. Rinse thoroughly, and behold, the sparkling clarity of your shower doors. Number 10. Are grout lines driving you insane? We have the ultimate solution. Create a powerful paste by mixing baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. Apply the paste to the grout lines, let it sit for 10 minutes, then scrub with a grout brush. Rinse well, and marvel at your grout's newfound brilliance. Number 9. Hard water stains on your faucets and fixtures are no match for our secret hack. Soak a cloth in distilled white vinegar, wrap it around the affected areas, and let it sit for 30 minutes. Remove the cloth, scrub gently with a non-scratch sponge, and rinse with water. Witness the revival of your gleaming faucets. Number 8. Let's face it, cleaning toilets is nobody's favorite task. But fear not, for we have a trick that will revolutionize your approach. Drop a few denture cleaning tablets into the bowl and let them fizz away for 15 minutes. Grab your toilet brush, give it a vigorous scrub, flush, and voila! A sparkling clean throne awaits. Now, let's venture into the living areas and bedrooms, the spaces where relaxation and cleanliness intertwine. Brace yourselves for the most transformative cleaning hacks you've ever encountered. Number 7. Are your carpets looking less than pristine? Say hello to our secret weapon, baking soda. Sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda over your carpets and let it sit for 30 minutes. Then, grab your vacuum cleaner and suck up all the baking soda, along with the trapped odors. Behold the magic of fresh, odor-free carpets. Number 6. Dusting those hard-to-reach places can be a challenge, but not for us. Take an extendable microfiber duster, reach for those high corners and ceiling fan blades, and witness the disappearance of dust. With each swipe, your home becomes a temple of cleanliness. Number 5. Are smudged fingerprints ruining your TV, tablet, laptop, and cell phone screens? We have the answer. Just kidding. Grab a microfiber cloth and spritz it with a screen cleaning solution. Gently wipe down your TV or computer screens and watch the smudges vanish. Behold the crystal clear view that awaits you. Now, let's step into the great outdoors, the realm of freshness and rejuvenation. Brace yourselves for our game-changing hacks that will make your outdoor spaces shine like never before. Number 4. Windows longing for a streak-free shine? Our secret window cleaning potion will astound you. Combine equal parts distilled water and isopropyl alcohol in a spray bottle. Spray the solution onto your windows, wipe with a lint-free cloth, and witness the glass sparkle like diamonds. Number 3. Is your patio furniture begging for a refresh? Fear not, for we have the ultimate hack. Mix warm water with a few drops of mild dish soap in a bucket. Grab a soft bristle brush or sponge and scrub away the grime. Rinse thoroughly with a hose and marvel at your revitalized outdoor seating. Number 2. Are your grill grates looking greasy and unappetizing? We have a solution that will leave them pristine. Cut an onion in half and rub it vigorously across the hot grates. The onion's natural acidity will break down the grease, allowing you to effortlessly brush it away. Prepare for perfectly grilled delicacies. Number 1. Has your patio umbrella seen better days? Rejoice, for we have a trick that will restore its former glory. Fill a bucket with warm water and add a splash of mild dish soap. Dip a brush into the soapy solution and gently scrub the umbrella fabric. Rinse with a hose and bask in the rejuvenated shade. And now for our amazing bonus hack. Is your pet's hair taking over your furniture? Worry no more. Grab a rubber glove, slightly dampen it, and glide your hand over the upholstery. Watch in awe as the pet hair clings to the glove, leaving your furniture fur-free. Rinse the glove, repeat the process, and marvel at the effectiveness of this simple trick. There you have it, cleaning aficionados. Our exclusive collection of little-known cleaning hacks that have revolutionized the way we clean our homes. From the kitchen to the bathroom, the living areas to the great outdoors, no corner will be left untouched by the power of our techniques. We hope you found these professional-grade cleaning hacks both awe-inspiring and practical. Remember, a clean home not only promotes a healthy environment but also enhances your overall well-being. Let us know in the comments below which hack blew your mind the most. Join our community of cleaning enthusiasts who are dedicated to achieving the ultimate cleanliness and organization. And if you know someone who could benefit from these incredible cleaning hacks, be sure to share this video with them. If you enjoyed this video and would like to learn more mind-boggling cleaning tricks, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary cleaning journey. Remember, with these professional-grade cleaning hacks, you have the power to transform your home into a haven of cleanliness and order. Until next time, keep cleaning, keep shining, and keep making your home a place of true brilliance.